ऑल्सो यू नो व्हाइल ऑन द शो लोगों ने ये कहा है कि मेकर्स हैड अ सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर, दिखा बिल्कुल
रिलैक्स
नहीं।
रिलैक्स करते हैं अच्छे से, मैं सब कर रहा हूँ। पार्टी जाना है आप लोगों को एंड मॉल की, मैं छोड़ देता हूँ। हाँ।
So, you know, while बाहर ये popular opinion था that the makers were soft on you, or
दे
the
वर
makers were
नॉट
biased,
भाई,
they were not, absolutely, because
थक गया मैं
every
ये जवाब
weekend
दे
का
के।
वार Amal
इट वाज
was
अमल का बार, सलमान खान वर्सेस मी था हर बार, और मेरे साथ कभी कभी शहबाज पिट जाता था।
and one I very clearly remember where Salman sir said बाकी की क्लास बाहर आने के बाद
हाँ,
होगी।
पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, आज मिलने वाले पार्टी में, आज गया मैं, एक घुसंड मिलेगा, मुझे मारेंगे।
तो आप लोग फिनाले के बाद अब तक मिले नहीं हो?
नहीं। मैं आई लेफ्ट अर्ली बिकॉज माय फ्रेंड्स हैड,
Okay.
ऑल माय बचपन के दोस्त हैड कम टू द सेट टू पिक मी अप।
Oh.
5 गाड़ी में हम लोग सब अलग अलग 3-3 जाके वापस गए।
But it was a big shocker for us to see you get evicted on the fifth position.
Yeah,
What was
that was
that
for a
like
lot
for
of
you?
people also. They on the internet, they were, so people there also, when I got evicted, so then they take you to the stage and all, but ek pura they tie or you can't see anything. So I had to go back with the parents. सबकी mummies
हाँ.
were there ना with us, everyone. तो उन लोग को भी संभालते संभालते 20 मिनट लगे स्टेज पे आने। फिर उधर आए, then you're back in bright lights, then you're like in a zone कि okay, now I'm evicted, now what do I have to say? वो सब हुआ, and then when I went, I think it was very simple. I didn't expect it. I thought I might just scrape through and come to top 3. I was not looking sure that I would win the trophy. That I was in 2-3 minds. Anyone could have got it. But I think I was possible, like I was going to go to top 3. But audience भाई, जब उन लोग बोले बोले खत्म. No stress on that.
Absolutely.
I
And
think my improvement also created a problem. People wanted me to be that crazy, सबको annihilate कर दो, फोड़ दो. But I was like, ठीक है, if they see my bad side, let them see a good side also, जो organically है. I think वो बदलने से थोड़े लोग बोले थे, अरे यार chill कर रहा है अभी ऐसा, पर वो घर chill भी कर सकते थे. Every topic didn't need my presence. तो I think मेरा एक जो change of behavior है, उससे कहीं ना कहीं मेरी voting, and everyone was there in the top 5, they all had killed it. You couldn't choose. सब लोग तगड़े थे.
but Amal, do you also think that we live in a time जहाँ सच बोलना लोगों को हजम नहीं होता?
हाँ bro, I understand. That's why someone in my era, who I am the only one who manages to maybe say it and get it off my chest. दूसरों से तो मैं उम्मीद नहीं करता हूँ कि सच बोले.
Because I remember वो एक episode था where your graph, the up highs and lows of your life.
Yeah,
You mentioned that you lost 48 films in a very short span of time.
2-3 years. Yeah,
What was that like? What was
tough.
dealing with that moment like?
That's why not 2019 to 2025 have been really hectic for me just before coming to Big Boss, and I had great show business happening. I won the film fair also second time. Performed with the Melbourne Orchestra. Some crazy चीजें हो रही है. But personal life, my dog, my friends, this understanding with the film industry, I took a backseat because I put a condition. कि if I'm doing your movie, I will. If I have to do a recreation, I will do an original also.
Okay.
If I'm not getting to do the original, I will not do your film.
Oh.
So this condition, no one understands. They take it as ego कि भाई बहुत बड़ा हो गया, ये सब attitude दिखा रहा है. तो मैंने खुद 20 फिल्में छोड़ी, बाकी 28 में से मैं निकाला गया क्योंकि मैंने वो 20 छोड़ी. तो ऐसा था. नहीं करना था यार, मेरा ओरिजिनल से नाम बना है, मैं अगर रिक्रिएशन कर रहा हूँ तो मतलब बने तो मैं करूँ. कि इफ आई कुड डू भोला भाला था, एटलीस्ट आई गेव समथिंग न्यू टू द ओल्ड आर्मी जे तोमर. नहीं तो देन व्हाट इज द पॉइंट कि किसी और के गाने पे मैं अपना नाम डाल दूँ और फुकट का अटेंशन पाऊँ.
Right.
आई डोंट वांट दैट, एंड इट्स नॉट माय वे. So when I took that stand, most of the labels, most of the producers, actors are like, अरे यार वो तो मानता नहीं है, ये नहीं करता है, इसको हटाओ. तो उन्होंने हटाया और मैं खुद भी हटा. But it didn't change anything much for me. It just made my fans feel very chaotic, and I couldn't explain to them. I was like, अभी मैं कितना dynamic समझाऊँ, आपको पता है कैसी इंडस्ट्री और क्या क्या होता है, समझ जाओ क्यों मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मेरी ये कंडीशन है कि I will not work in, you can't control me
True.
so much. I can come in little bit of control, but not 100%.